All right, guys, I'm back again, and I'm out here with my good brother John. And John, we're at this local 7-Eleven, and John knows me from when I used to do all kind of crazy stuff. But I'm out here now, and he's actually out here working hard as he always does, and we're getting ready to go to a birthday party. But my brother has some pain in his back. We're gonna pray for his back and watch his back get fixed up. So John, I'm gonna put my hand gently on your back, brother. And this, you said it's your lower back, and it's a pinching mechanism. Am I correct?
I'm not sure what it is.
Okay, but if it left you right now, you would know. So watch this, y'all. So Father, right now, I just thank you for the mighty, mighty John. And right now, all of that pain that's in my brother's back, leave now. Leave now. Sciatica nerve be healed right now. Do you get numbness in your legs at all?
No.
All right, so right now, Father, I thank you right now. Every drop of pain, leave my brother's back this very moment. All of it, leave him now. Now, John, besides that, do you feel anything else going on in your back?
No, that's about it.
Okay, this is the heat. All right, watch this. More, Lord, more. Did the heat increase? Watch this. This is really cool. Say this, John. Say Jesus.
Hey, Lord Jesus,
If this is you,
this is you.
confirm it.
Confirm it. And it is well, saith the Lord. It is well.
Come on. Now watch this, John. I'm gonna take my hand off for a second and go ahead and move around some, man, and tell me where the pain is.
Right now, there is none.
Ain't that amazing?
There is none.
That's right. So this is my good brother here. He's pain-free from this moment forward. So thank you guys for being on this journey with us. I'm in love with my brother a little bit more. And continue to keep John in prayer, man. He's an excellent brother. God bless you guys. I'll talk to you soon.